Tri-Quattro Piano, Level 1 Interpretation Skills. Cross Hands 2. Using the pattern rehearsed in Cross Hands 1, use the notes E, G and B. Question 2. Use the notes G, B and D. You can use them anywhere on the piano. Question 3. Use the notes A, C, E. And finally, question 4. You can use the notes F, A, C. And you can use them anywhere on the piano. Cross hands to play higher or lower notes. So G, B, D, G, B, D. And then you can come down again. You don't have to do that version. This is about experimenting and explain how the sound makes you feel and how the sound works together. You can combine chords as well. For instance, you could combine A, C, E and C, E, G. A, C, E, C, E, G, etc. and see which ones sound nice together. Experiment, play, and listen to how it makes you feel.